Hey, thanks for coming back. You're looking good. How's that pain doing? Still there? All right. My name's Rachel Otto, and I'm the Goofy Mystic Healer. I'm the Divine Connector. And we're doing a series right now to help you break out of the Matrix. Now, when I say Matrix, I don't mean the spaceships have our bodies and we're like, in some sci-fi movie. But we are kind of in somebody else's program. Well, you are. I'm not. What does that mean? It means that I am the creator of my own reality. I don't buy into the beliefs that we have to get married at a certain age or contracts that were made through cultures or government or religious beliefs. I don't limit my life to what social media tells me or what a movie says or try to overanalyze what does a feather mean that I see at my front door. Instead, I believe that my reality emulates out of my heart. I know I'm getting into quantum physics and we won't go there. And I'm not going to give you a 5-minute on how to break out of the matrix because it's hard and it takes a minute. So that's why we're doing this series. So the first series we did is we learned how to love ourselves. There's all kinds of groovy information out there that we are more in control of our bodies, that we can heal ourselves with our own sound and with our own breath. And I'm not going to get into the lecture about eating good food and walking and being healthy. I'm here for your spiritual connection. So today's lesson is called grounding. No, you're not in trouble. No, I don't care what illegal drugs you do, nor am I here to judge anything about your life. At all. I know. It sounds pretty crazy, but I kind of don't care about what you do with your life. I just love you for who you are. So, grounding is a way to connect with nature. And when I say connect to nature, it's not just looking at the sunset or looking at the stars. It's literally understanding that you are part of the earth. That there's this crazy system out there that we're all connected. And we all have this unity consciousness. Unity consciousness is about oneness, where collective consciousness is about what the collective wants us to act. That's the matrix. Okay, so back to grounding. In this exercise, we're going to pretend that we are trees. The original standing people. Yes, standing people is a North American indigenous culture. Our Native American friends, they call trees standing people. And when you think about it, trees are pretty fabulous because they just stand there and they're aware of everything. Everything. And they don't complain. And they don't say anything. They just emit oxygen. Pretty cool. So we're going to imagine ourselves as trees today. And this will help us disconnect from the matrix by connecting into the original matrix, the mycelium, which is beneath your feet, Yes, I just did that. I went into mushrooms. Mycelium is a huge, teeny tiny network that is more expansive than any fiber optics that we have. Mycelium connects every blade of grass to every tree everywhere in the world. It goes under the oceans. It goes up mountaintops. It is right beneath your feet now. So, are you ready? Let's find our comfortable space. You can do laying down. You can do sitting up. And today, I'm going to bring in my friend, selenite. Selenite is a pretty groovy friend. I recommend that you get yourself a piece of selenite now. You may not find it like this. Sometimes they're in bowl shapes or heart shapes or even a bracelet. But selenite is the great cleanser. It'll clear your crystals, it'll clear you, it'll protect you. It's great to put on your Wi-Fi, put it near your computers, put it by your cell phone. Kind of takes away all those weird bots and noises. So, the selenite is going to be with us in this meditation and helping us go down into earth. Are you ready? If you need to hit pause, go ahead. Breathe in through your nose and out your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Just for a moment, I want you to imagine you're stepping outside of your body. Imagine as though you can see yourself sitting there. Now imagine there's a beautiful wooden door. I want you to open the door and go through the portal. It goes from bright white red on yellow green blue indigo violet. As you walk through that bright white light. You see yourself floating, and in front of you is this beautiful seed shape, like a giant football. Imagine seeing this multicolored, high vibrational object. This is what we call your soul seed. It's physically located beneath your feet. Yes, it connects everyone. We're at the soul seed in the center of the earth. And we see coming out of this soul seed a silver golden thread. And you notice this thread is directly connected to you. Being here in the earth allows you to travel through all time and space. You see that wooden door open again. You walk through that wooden door and you take 2 steps down. Imagine how you are now on Middle Earth. You can feel the green grass beneath your feet. You see a beautiful open green valley. You can feel the warmth of the sun against your skin. In the center of this beautiful green space is a beautiful tree. Your favorite tree. You step into the tree. There's a lovely hole, and you feel yourself becoming part of the tree. Your feet have roots growing down, down, down. Feel yourself being part of this tree, rooting deep into the earth. Down, down, down. You feel the roots connecting deep into like a mini highway system. It's the mycelium. It's the web of life. You tap your roots into the mycelium, into the web of life, and you begin to feel the energy. As you feel the energy strengthening you, you feel the little pulses, the spiral energy going up the roots, going into your feet, feeling that warm strength, the connection, feeling that energy going up into your calves, into your knees, feeling yourself now strong like the oak tree, with deep roots uplifting you. You feel the energy up into your hips, up into your stomach. You feel strength like a flagpole deep in the ground. Courage, stability, power. You feel like the tree as it goes up into your heart. Security, safety. You feel your arms outreaching like the branches. You feel maybe like a willow bending in the breeze, gently dancing. Feeling your crown open to the sunlight above. Feel the strength of the mighty sequoia tree. Tall, lean, moving up. The wind gently pulling off what no longer serves you. Now imagine yourself stepping out of the tree, but yet you're still part of it. It's not a heaviness, it's a strength. It's a connectiveness. You walk back to that door. You take 2 steps up, and you go back to that giant football, that soul seed of color. And you feel different. You feel a connectiveness. The door opens one more time, and the colors around you begin to change. Blue, green, yellow, orange, red. You find yourself once again sitting lying. Take a deep breath. All of the energy of the tree that you were is still inside of you. Feel it. Feel that strength, that connection. Take another breath, wiggle your shoulders, feel your toes, become completely present back here with me. In this present moment, thank you for joining me today. I love you.